Alright, next thing I need to attack is these screws here. Again, they're going to be just as problematic. But they need to come out. Because obviously it covers the split, the actual split in the casing goes right through the centre, so I need to remove this casing. So I'll give them a soak and see how I do. The chances are it could be the impact driver again. So let's give them a spray up, leave them for about 10 or 15 minutes. See if I can get them out. Alright, once again, so I'll let these soak in for about 15-20 minutes. Tried them on the impact driver. Seems to have worked. Again, like I said, all these are going to be replaced. So it seems to have got all of them out, so I should be able to remove this cover. A nice double check, make sure I've got them all. Yep. Alright, I should be able to use these points down here to actually lever. So let's give that a try. Again, very gently. Seems to be stuck on one side. Right, I seem to have loosened off the top, but the bottom seems to be stuck. There we go. Very gentle levering with the screwdriver, so I don't really like using them. Right, that's that cover removed. Again, pretty horrendous. Seals can be replaced and cleaned up. Right, for now I'm just going to pop the screws back in the casing. So when I come to basically clean it, refurbish it, I can replace it with the exact screws and I know exactly where they went. Clutch rod, that will need a really good clean up. Right, let's try and get these two out here. Again, I take it they're not going to go. So again, let's try the impact driver. Just chewing that one. That one's gone. No, that's chewed. No, that's just hollowed out completely, that one. Whatever was sitting there, I'll see you in a second. That one there, it seems to have sheared off. It's an open, so there was a bolt in there and that one's sheared, so that's got to come out. Well, I need to get this one out. Right, again, unfortunately I had to cut a groove across so I can get the impact driver in, but it has loosened it. Another mullered screw. I am going to have to get that stud out. Luckily there's a bit hanging out of it, so I should be able to get a nut on it, maybe ease it out that way. Alright, let's see if this cover will come off. Alright, managed to get that cover off. There's a seal behind it which will be replaced. A bearing behind that. Which after 40 odd years doesn't look too bad. Again, with that I'll replace the seal, clean that up. But again, for now, everything I take off, putting the screws back in. I'll say these bolts are obviously holding the engine together, all the two cases along here as well. They're going to need to be soaked. I need to spin it round, get the clutch out, and then do a bit more reading on the next step. So there's bolts back here as well, one down there, two up here. So this is going to take a fair few episodes to actually get this stripped down, but I'll basically be researching, reading as I go and learning. Right, so thanks for joining me on that one. As I say, there's still plenty to go, plenty to take off. As I say, I'm going to soak these bolts and then start cracking them one at a time, see how they go. Because obviously these bolts, if I can save them, I'll use them again. Obviously the screws, they've had it as they're coming off. And I obviously get the clutch off, but so this is going to take some time. It's going to be a slow process, but I just want to do it step by step, so I can learn as well as you can learn, and we're basically learning together on this one. So, as usual, subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of every video, a link to my Patreon in the bottom left hand corner of every video now, links to other videos top left and top right, and join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.